If you put the word ça in front of the word c'est, you get ça c'est. Ça c'est. Literally, ça c'est means that it is. But you can use it to mean that is. So ça c'est means that is. Now, I get a lot of messages about the phrase ça c'est, so I just want to clear it up and make sure it all makes sense. The phrase that is would literally be ça est, since ça means that and est means is. However, notice how when you say ça est, you have that slight break in the middle, ça est. This is called a glottal stop, and the French don't like it, ça est. So their ears don't feel comfortable with ça est. Instead, they say ça c'est, ça c'est. This is purely because it sounds nicer to French ears. Ça c'est just glides more smoothly than ça est. Literally, as I said, ça c'est means that it is, but you can use it to mean that is. So that's why we say ça c'est rather than ça est to mean that is. So how would you say in French, that is good? Ça c'est bon. Ça c'est bon. So literally it means that it is good. Ça c'est bon. How would you say that is very good? Ça c'est très bon. Ça c'est très bon. So again, literally it means that it is very good. Ça c'est très bon. So you have to say ça c'est if you want to say that is in French. How would you say that is absolutely fantastic? Ça c'est absolument fantastique. Ça c'est absolument fantastique. That is for me. Ça c'est pour moi. Ça c'est pour moi. How would you say, I think that is perfect? Pour moi, ça c'est parfait. Pour moi, ça c'est parfait. So in this lesson we've had mais, meaning but, oui, which means yes, merci means thank you or thanks, toujours is always, parfait means perfect, ça means that, and then we said if you want to say that is in French you have to say ça c'est, which literally means that it is. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.